So, a lot of people is asking why their menstrual disc is leaking even if they feel that it's properly tucked in naman. So, one of the main reason why is the disc may not have been inserted under the cervix kasi possible na yung cervix nila sobrang low. So, halimbawa, medyo maliit yung menstrual disc nila. This is the menstrual disc with extended leak card in color black in size small. So yung pag-insert nila for example, sobrang low ng cervix. So mangyayari yung disc nandyan lang. Feeling nila na-tuck na nilang ganon. So yung blood, possible na sa gilid dumaan. So lulusot siya sa likod. So magli-leak ka nga pag ganon. Kasi naka-stuck. Kasi ito syempre ito yung pinaka-standard cervix eh. Pero normally kasi yung cervix natin minsan sobrang baba. So, kailangan talaga, if you're tucking your disc, use lubricant and then tuck it as high as you can possibly do para talaga po may ilalim siya sa cervix. Or use a bigger disc if possible, katulad nito, in size large. So, yung size large, mas sakop niya hanggang ilalim ng cervix nyo. And so, the bigger the disc, I think mas malaki yung coverage niya. So, I would recommend for those that have issues and wanted to try at their own risk to use a bigger disc para mas salong-salo yung cervix. Pero kung hindi talaga mag-work yun, then maybe you're not compatible with disc and talagang yung cervix nyo is tilted backwards, so nakaganon siya. So medyo mahirap talaga siya pagdating sa disc. So I would recommend you use menstrual cup instead. So yun lang.